Hey brothers, welcome our channel. If your beard grows slow, patchy, or takes forever to fill in, today I'm giving you the secret formula that helped me grow my beard almost 3 times faster. Most guys don't know this method. Barbers don't tell you, your friends won't tell you, but I will, because we're here to level up together. I used to be the guy who waited months for a beard that barely showed. It was uneven, patchy, and honestly, it hurt my confidence. One day at the barbershop, an older barber looked at me and said, "Your beard isn't the problem, your skin under the beard is sleeping." That one sentence changed everything. He taught me a formula that wakes up the beard follicles, boosts blood flow, and accelerates growth naturally. And after 2 weeks, people were asking me, "Bro, what did you do? Your beard looks different. Now it's your turn." The formula has 4 steps, and when you do them together, your beard growth explodes. Heat, oil mix, massage, and a night routine. Each step multiplies the effect of the next one. Step 1. Warming up the skin. Before your beard grows, your skin needs to wake up. Take a warm towel and place it on your lower face for 1 minute. This increases blood flow, opens the follicles, and makes the oils work much better. Think of it like preparing the soil before planting. Step 2. The beard growth oil mix. This is the secret that nobody talks about. Mix 3 drops of peppermint oil with 10 drops of jojoba or castor oil. Peppermint increases circulation. Castor oil strengthens the follicles. Jojoba keeps the skin balanced and prevents irritation. Rub the mixture between your hands until it warms up. This combination of heat and oils is what accelerates beard growth fast. Step 3. The 5-minute follicle massage. Massage your beard area gently in small circles. Along the jawline, the chin, the cheek area, and under the chin. 5 minutes no less. Increased blood flow means increased growth. Beard follicles respond directly to stimulation, and if you do this daily, you will feel the difference. Step 4. The overnight routine. Before sleeping, apply a thin layer of the oil mix and make sure you sleep on a clean pillowcase. Dirty pillowcases cause inflammation, block follicles, and slow beard growth. A clean surface keeps the beard healthy so it can grow freely. This final step is what makes the formula work so fast. If you follow all 4 steps for 10 to 14 days, you'll notice faster beard growth, fuller coverage, stronger facial hair, and less patchiness. And honestly, your confidence will go up too. Most guys quit after a few days, but you're not like them. You're here because you want to improve yourself. Remember brothers, a strong beard comes from a strong routine. If you stay consistent, you will see results, not just in your beard, but in your confidence, your energy, and the way you carry yourself. You are valuable, you matter, and your glow up starts with small habits like this. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay consistent. You got this.